Here's what happens when you eat apple seeds. We've recently talked about the benefits of natural apple juice on this channel. And we even give you a recipe to make at home. Can I eat apple seeds? The apple is probably one of the most popular fruits in the world. But no one really likes their seeds since they have a bitter taste. Most people don't eat them. But sometimes they are ingested by accident. Since most people don't bother to remove them when they're cutting or biting into the fruit. Many people even believe that the seeds are poisonous. Are apple seeds bad for our health? The truth is that while they don't do any harm, apple seeds have certain elements that may be slightly toxic along with some nutrients. Inside them there is a compound called amygdalin that, when in contact with the enzymes of the human body, releases cyanide, which is responsible for producing a gas that is very poisonous to our body. It can actually kill us even in small quantities. But don't worry, swallowing 1 or 2 seeds will not hurt you. According to a study performed by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, it would take about 200 apple seeds for you to feel symptoms such as shortness of breath and seizures. On the other hand, apple seeds have been classified by many experts as one of the most potent natural anti-cancer ingredients. According to scientific studies, apple seeds have an action capable of inhibiting the growth of malignant cells in different types of cancers such as colon, stomach, breast, pancreas, prostate and lung cancer. The phytochemical compounds of the seeds have proven to be 1,000 times better than the drug used for chemotherapy Adriamycin because it slows the growth of cancer cells. The most incredible of these facts is that consuming the apple seeds will only destroy the cells that cause the cancer without affecting the healthy cells. So don't worry. Apples, besides being healthy, don't have enough seeds to poison you. So keep eating them.